Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to fix headphone mic not recognized Windows 11. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers, right-click Connected Headphone Device, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Model, click Next. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security. Click Microphone, turn on microphone access, also turn on Let apps access your microphone. Third method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel, click Sound Settings. Click Recording tab, select your headphone, click Set Default, click Properties, click Levels tab, change to maximum. Click Advanced tab, uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers, right-click Connected Headphone Device, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.